Struggling to find the perfect gadgets for students? With so many options, pinpointing the right one can be a real challenge. That's why we've meticulously tested and researched numerous products to bring you the top 5 best student gadgets. From superior performance to standout features, we've scoured the market to ensure these picks offer the best in functionality and value. In this video, we'll dive into their key features and help you understand what to consider when choosing the ideal gadget for your needs. Also, you can check the pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. Carson MicroBrite Microscope Plus. The Carson MM300 MicroBrite Plus LED Pocket Microscope is a practical and compact tool, ideal for students seeking a hands-on approach to learning. With dimensions of 2.25 by 1.2 by 3.5 inches and weighing just 2.08 ounces, this lightweight microscope is designed for portability, making it a convenient addition to any student's backpack. Equipped with a bright LED illumination system, the MicroBrite Plus ensures that specimens are clearly visible, allowing for accurate observations. This feature is particularly useful in classroom settings where detailed examination is essential. The microscope offers a magnification range of 60 to 120 times, enabling students to explore various levels of detail, whether they are studying prepared microscope slides or everyday objects. Designed with students in mind, this is compatible with smartphones, making it easy for users to capture and share their discoveries. The achromatic objective lens minimizes color distortion, ensuring high-quality images, which is crucial for accurate scientific study. Powered by 1.5 volts, this microscope is both reliable and efficient. Available in a sleek black-gray design, the Carson MM300 is more than just a gadget. It's an educational tool that encourages exploration and curiosity. Whether used in a classroom lab or out in the field, this pocket microscope offers a hands-on learning experience, making it an excellent choice for students interested in STEM subjects. All in all, the Carson MM300 MicroBrite Plus is a compact, student-friendly microscope offering bright LED illumination, high magnification, and smartphone compatibility, making it an ideal educational tool for hands-on learning. Number 4. Glocusent Extendable Booklight. The Glocusent Extendable Booklight is a versatile reading companion designed to enhance your reading experience with a range of thoughtful features. With its matte finish and compact dimensions of 15.4 by 1.5 by 1.4 inches, this lightweight device, weighing just 46 grams, is both portable and practical. It employs 5 ultra-bright LED lamps, producing a brilliant 65 lumens, with an extra 1 centimeter extendable head that increases the lighting coverage by 30%, ensuring both pages of your book are fully illuminated. The ultra-slim lampshade helps deliver uniform lighting, which is beneficial for eye care. This booklight includes a unique sleep aid feature with 3 adjustable timers, 30, 45, and 60 minutes. The gradual dimming feature mimics a sunset, which helps you relax and drift off into a peaceful sleep under a warm 2700K light. Additionally, the light offers 3 color temperatures, 2700K, 4000K, and 6000K, along with 5 brightness levels, allowing you to customize the light to your preference. Powered by a rechargeable 500 mAh battery, this light can last between 9 to 80 hours on the lowest brightness setting. The built-in USB-A charging port ensures quick recharging in just 1.5 hours and is compatible with various power sources like mobile power banks or USB outlets. It is an excellent choice for on-the-go use, whether you're reading, working, or traveling. In summary, the Glocusent Extendable Booklight offers exceptional versatility, portability, and customizable lighting options, making it an ideal choice for avid readers seeking comfort and convenience in various settings. Number 3. TileMate Essentials 4-Pack. The TileMate Essentials 4-Pack is a versatile and practical solution for keeping track of your most important belongings. This pack includes 2 mate trackers, 1 slim and 1 sticker, offering a variety of options to suit different needs. Whether it's your keys, wallet, remote, or other essentials, these Bluetooth trackers ensure you can always find your items quickly and easily. The Tile app makes locating your items a breeze. If your tile is within Bluetooth range, you can make it ring using the app or even ask your smart home device to find it for you. For items that are out of range, the app provides the last known location on a map, which is incredibly useful when retracing your steps. One of the standout features is the ability to find your phone by simply double pressing the button on any tile, even if your phone is on silent. Additionally, the Tile network allows for anonymous help in locating lost items, and you can add your contact information to the QR code on your tile in case someone finds it. Compatible with both Android and iOS, as well as smart home devices like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri, theory, the TileMate Essentials offer wide-ranging compatibility with an IP67 water-resistant rating and a battery life of up to 3 years. These trackers are built to last. The TileMate Essentials 4-pack is an excellent investment for anyone looking to keep their valuables secure and easily accessible. Number 2, Crucial X9 Pro SSD. The Crucial X9 Pro portable SSD offers a robust solution for digital storage with a 2 TB capacity. Designed for versatility, this external drive features a USB-C interface for fast and efficient data transfer, supporting read speeds up to 1050 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 975 megabytes per second. This makes it an excellent choice for professionals who need to edit and manage large files directly from the drive. The X9 Pro is built for durability, with IP55 water and dust resistance and a drop-proof design that can withstand falls from up to 2 meters. This rugged construction ensures reliable performance in various environments, whether you're shooting outdoors or traveling. Compatible with a wide range of devices, including laptops, gaming consoles, tablets, and cameras, it also supports seamless plug-and-play functionality across different operating systems such as Windows, Mac, Android, and Linux. It includes a USB-C cable, though a USB-C to USB-A adapter is available separately for those using USB-A devices. The drive is engineered by Micron and features a sleek anodized aluminum exterior with a rubberized soft-touch base measuring 2.56 by 1.97 by 0.39 inches and weighing just 1.34 ounces. The design includes a lanyard hole for added convenience and an activity light to monitor drive status. All in all, the Crucial X9 Pro portable SSD combines high-speed performance with rugged durability, making it a versatile and reliable choice for professionals and travelers. Its ample storage and broad compatibility ensure it meets diverse needs effectively. Number 1, Rocketbook Smart Notebook. The Rocketbook Core reusable smart notebook offers a seamless blend of traditional writing with modern technology, making it an ideal tool for students looking to enhance productivity while reducing paper waste. With its 8.5 by 11-inch size and 36 dotted pages, this notebook provides ample space for jotting down ideas, notes, or sketches. The standout feature is its reusability. Simply write with the included Pilot pen, scan your notes to the cloud using the Rocketbook app, and then wipe the pages clean with the microfiber cloth to use again. This eco-friendly approach not only saves paper, but also ensures that your notes are easily accessible and organized digitally. The Rocketbook app is a game changer, offering integrated smart features that convert handwriting to digital text, allowing you to search, organize, and share your notes effortlessly. This eliminates the need for retyping and makes it easy to keep track of your thoughts, whether for work, school, or personal projects. With its lightweight and compact design, its core is versatile and portable, making it a perfect companion for students, creatives, and professionals alike. Available in 16 vibrant colors, it's also a thoughtful and practical gift option. In essence, the Rocketbook Core combines the tactile experience of writing on paper with the convenience of digital connectivity, offering a sustainable and efficient solution for note-taking that can replace over 100 traditional notebooks. It's an innovative tool that fits seamlessly into the modern workflow, making it a must-have for those looking to optimize their productivity. In conclusion, the best student gadgets offer a range of innovative tools that enhance learning, organization, and productivity. From the Carson MicroBrite microscope's hands-on exploration to the Rocketbook Core's eco-friendly note-taking, these gadgets cater to the diverse needs of students. The Glocusent Extendable book light impresses with its reliability and versatility. The TileMate Essentials effortlessly tracks your most important belongings, while the Crucial X9 Pro SSD ensures secure and fast data storage. Each gadget is designed to integrate seamlessly into a student's lifestyle, making them invaluable companions in their academic journey and beyond.